I'm Lakshya and welcome back to my channel. This is the fourth video of the Diwali DIY series. So today I'm going to show you how to make an earthen pot Diya Urli. So let's see how to make it. Materials required: paints of your choice, some decorative stickers and small mirrors, spray paint of your choice, and an earthen pot and some diyas. So let's start. First, let's start with painting the diyas. Now Diya is ready. Now let's paint the earthen pot. Now our earthen pot is ready. Let's glue the painted diyas on the side.